It's Hazem again. I'm going to show you now how to transfer your cryptocurrency. So here we're at OpenSea and we want to buy an NFT or we want to create an NFT, and that costs money and we got no money in our wallet. So our wallet is automatic. When you create an OpenSea account or any kind of crypto account, you automatically have a wallet that's generated for you, and I don't recommend keeping the money in this wallet, especially if you've got a lot of money, because it can get stolen, since the OpenSea or the exchange or whoever has generated the wallet on your behalf, which means they hold the encryption key to your wallet. What you want to do is you want to create long-term your own wallet offline and use that to store your crypto, so that they cannot, so that nobody can hack you. And you want to keep those keys. You don't want to keep those keys on a computer if you can. You want to keep those stored like on a USB drive or on a piece of paper, and you want to lock that in a safe. You do not want that to be something that anybody can get access to physically. Actually, the best way will be to put it on a USB drive, and actually the best way would be to memorize it, because if you've got a really good memory, remember your encryption key. And if you can't, then put it on a USB drive and encrypt that USB drive with some other extremely difficult password, and put that in a safe. Definitely don't do that what I'm doing here, but for the purposes of this video, we're just gonna create an account on OpenSea, and we're gonna move a couple dollars into here. So I just want copy, and now I'm on my Coinbase. So remember earlier we bought some coin, some Ethereum, so now we're just gonna go send crypto, and let's say I got send $10 worth of crypto, and I'm gonna choose Ethereum, and the fee is quite expensive. It's like $2 almost. So I'm gonna put my address here and paste that in, and I'm gonna say, okay, I'm sending Ethereum. Let's say I got $15 worth of Ethereum, and so I'm gonna send $10 worth of Ethereum through the Ethereum network, and I enter my address. So $10 sending Ethereum and to this address, and I preview send, and then I say, well, this is my wallet, so I'm gonna choose that, and then I'm gonna send it now, and then I get a code via text to put that in. So 137483, and then we just wait, and now we've sent whatever the market rate is. So because I said I sent $10 Canadian worth of Ethereum, which turned out to be 0.0018 Ethereums, and they charged me 80 cents for it. And now you can see that this transaction is still pending, because it has to, worldwide, the blockchain has to update and accept the transaction to say that this, because basically Coinbase has published the transaction. Again, my Coinbase wallet is held by Coinbase, so Coinbase uses my private key, which they know, to send out a transaction. So now, if I go back to OpenSea, my wallet has now received $7. Now, Ethereum now works quite fast compared to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, this transaction would have taken close to half an hour to be approved. So now we got the money, we can do whatever we want. Any questions? Please leave a comment. Thank you.